You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, and we're going to be looking at how to say some of them as well. So stay tuned to the channel to learn more. The word here is said neopronoun. Neopronoun is how you pronounce it. Now, if you want to learn some neopronouns, here are a few videos for you to learn more about them and how to say them. Thanks for watching. I'll see you there. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.